Today I'm going to be eating a lot of food. Ooh! Oh my god, you fat bitch! Alright, take 2. Let's start. Oh my goodness. Yeah, eat that shit up, bro. Oh my god. Let's get some flaming hot. Oh, I got the flaming hot chicken, but I don't know where to put it, bruh. This motherfucker better not come and steal my food again. Alrighty, go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm swallowing all of this shit. Oh my gosh, this is literally... I feel so gluttonous right now. Can everybody else shut up? I'm trying to eat here. I need some water. I need water. Oh my goodness. Did y'all just see that? Now let's get some dessert. Oh my goodness! She put in the middle again? I'm eating it with my eyes.